Hello friends, now in this video I will explain all examples from practice set 3.4. But before practice set 3.4 I will explain all solved examples. Now let us start. Application of AP. First example, a mixture manufacturing company manufactured 600 mixture in third year and in seventh year they manufactured 700 mixtures. If every year there is same growth in the production of mixture, then find first production in the first year, second production in the 10th year, and third total production in first 7 years. Now solution. Addition in the number of mixtures manufactured by the company per year is constant. Therefore, the number of production in successive years is in AP. First, let's assume that company manufactured TN mixtures in nth year. Then as per given information, T3 is equals to 600, T7 is equals to 700. We know that Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into T. Therefore, n is replaced by 3. Therefore, T3 is equals to A plus in bracket 3 minus 1 into D. A plus 2D is equals to 600. This is the first equation. What about the second? T7 is equals to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Therefore, A plus 6D is equals to 700. Okay. First equation, that is A plus 2D is equals to 600. From this equation, we will find out the value of A. And therefore, substituting A is equals to 600 minus 2D in equation number 2. Okay. If we substitute this value in equation number 2, that the value of A 600 minus 2D plus 6D is equals to 700. Okay. Therefore, 600 minus 2D plus 6D, you will get here 4D. 700 minus 600, here you will get 100. Therefore, 4D is equals to 100. And therefore, D is equals to 100 upon 4. And hence, D is equals to 25. Okay, this is the value of D. Next, A plus 2D is equals to 600. This is the first equation. Substitute the value of D here. Then you will get here A plus 2 into 25 is equals to 600. 2 into 25, 50. And therefore, A is equals to 600 minus 50. And hence, you will get here 550. Therefore, the production in the first year was 560. It is the first term, T1. Now next, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into T. In second, we want to find out the production in 10th year. What is the formula for Tn? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into T. N is replaced by 10, A is replaced by 550, D is replaced by 25. Substitute the value, then you will get here 550. 9 into 25, you will get here 225. 550 plus 225, then you will get here the production in the 10th year is 775. And what about the now third? Total production in the first 7 years. We want to find out here S7. Therefore, for finding the production in first 7 years, use formula for Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Therefore, n is replaced by 7, 7 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 bracket complete into the value of d is 25. If we simplify here, that is the 2 into 550, you will get here 1100. 7 minus 1, 6 into 25, you will get here 150. 1100 plus 150, you will get here 1250 into 7 by 2. And after simplification, that is at 1250 upon 2, you will get here 625. 625 into 7, you will get here 4375. And therefore, total production in first 7 years is 4375. Second example, Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000 by paying rupees 30,500 in the first month and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500 every month. How long will it take to clear his amount? Okay. Now solution. Let the time required to clear the amount be n months. The monthly payment decreases by rupees 1,500. Therefore, the payment are in AP. First term A is equals to 30,500. D is equals to minus 1,500. Amount Sn is equals to 3,25,000. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of Sn means our total borrowed amount n upon 2, 2 into 30,500, n minus 1 into d. If we substitute the value, then you will get here that is n upon 2, 2 into 30,500 minus next the value of d, which is minus 1,500. या minus 1,500 ने n ला जर multiplied केलं, then you will get here minus 1,500 n. Next again minus 1,500 into minus 1, then it will become plus, and hence you will get here plus 1,500. Okay. Next 3,25,000 is equals to, next we multiply this n by 2 to 2 into 30,500 minus 1,500 n and last 1,500. Now first multiplication, that is n by 2 into 30,500. Here 2 will get cancelled. You will get here 30,500 n. Next multiplication, n by 2 into 1,500 n. Here again 1,500 upon 2, you will get here 750 n square, and the next n by 2 into 1,500. Again 1,500 upon 2, you will get here 750 n. Transfer these all terms to left hand side. This minus will become plus 750 n square. Next minus 31,250 n. If we add this 30,500 n and 750, then you will get here 30,250 n. If we take to the left hand side, it will become minus. And the last term 3,25,000 as it is. Okay, and that's equals to 0. Divide this whole equation by 250. 250 is a divide killer. Then you will get here 3n square minus, if we divide 31,250 upon 250, then you will get here 125 n. Next 3,25,000 upon 250, then you will get here 1,300, and that's equals to 0. एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिळेल तुम्हाला. फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. ओके, 1,300 into 3 means what? You will get here 3,900. The factors are minus 60n, minus 65n. If you add it, then you will get here minus 125n, and then their product is, okay, that is a 3,900 n square. या दोघांतनं कॉमन घेणार, that is a 3n in bracket n minus 25. या दोघांतनं पण minus 65 कॉमन घेणार in bracket n minus 25, that's equals to 0. Take n minus 25 as a common. Then what are the remaining terms? The remaining terms are 3n minus 65 in second bracket. Therefore n minus 25 is equals to 0. And the next 3n minus 65 is equals to 0. Next, therefore n is equals to 25 or n is equals to 65 upon 3. Okay, but n is a natural number, and hence n is equals to 65 upon 3 is not possible. Therefore, we take the value of n किती घेणार? The n is equals to 20. Okay. Therefore, to clear the amount, 20 months are needed. Okay. Now, next example. Anwar saves some amount every month. In the first 3 months, he saves rupees 200, next 250, next rupees 300 respectively. In which month will he save rupees 1,000? Okay, now solution. Saving in the first month is rupees 200, saving in the second month rupees 250. Okay, now 200, 250, 300. This is in an AP. Here A is equals to 200, D is equals to 50 NR. Let's find N using Tn formula and then find Sn. Now Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A ची व्हॅल्यू 200 आहे, D ची व्हॅल्यू 50 आहे. ओके, आपल्याला किती तर 1000 केव्हा होणार. ओके, therefore 1000 is equals to 150 plus, that is a 200 minus 50, you will get here 150 plus 50n. Okay, therefore here again simplification, 150 plus 50n is equals to 1000. Therefore 50n is equals to 1000 minus 150, you will get here 850, and hence n is equals to 850 upon 50. Then you will get here n is equals to 70. Easy, that's a division आहे त्या ठिकाणी. Okay, let's see this here. N is equals to 850 upon 50. Here 500 will get cancelled. 5 1 5 एक 5 इथे होणार, 3 होणार आणि 35 होणार. ते 5 7 35 होणार. N is equals to 17 तिथे येणार. Therefore in the 17th month he will save rupees 1000. Let's find that in 17th month how much total amount he saved. Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N means what? 17 upon 2, 2 into 200 plus 17 minus 1 into the value of d, 50. Okay, 2 into 200, 400. 17 minus 1, you will get a 16 into 50. And hence their product 16 into 50. किती येणार तर 800 येणार. 800 plus 400, you will get here 1200. 1200 into 17 upon 2. म्हणजे या 2 ने या 1200 ला जर डिवाइड केलं, then you will get here 600. 600 into 17. And hence here you will get here 10,200. And therefore in 17th month total saving is rupees 10,200. Okay. Now next example. As shown in the figure, take a point A on the line. A हा point त्या line वर घेणार. Draw a half circle P1 of radius 0.5 with A as a center. इथे हे circle, half circle आपण draw केले P1 and A as a center and the radius is 0.5. It intersect the given line in the point B. ते B मध्ये intersect करते. Next, now taking B as a center, draw a half circle P2 of radius 1 centimeter. B center घेणार आणि radius किती त्यावेळेस तर 1 centimeter. Then you will get this circle. Okay, and it is below this line. Now taking B as a center, draw half circle P2 of radius 1 centimeter, which is on the other side of the line. It is in the below. Now again taking A as a center. आता पुन्हा नंतर A center घेणार आणि यावेळेस मात्र ती रेडियस घेताना 1.5 सेंटीमीटरचा रेडियस घेणार. Okay, and then if you take this A as a center, then you will get here the another half circle which is P3. Okay, now again taking A as a center, draw a half circle P3 of radius 1.5 centimeter. If you draw half circle like this, having the radius 0.5 centimeter. पहिला radius P1 चा किती होता? The 0.5 centimeter. P2 चा किती? The 1 centimeter. P3 चा किती? 1.5 centimeter. And in this way, next radius will be 2 centimeter. We get a figure of spiral shape. Okay, spiral shape आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मिळेल. Okay, म्हणजेच या प्रकारे आपल्याला ती फिगर अशी मिळत जाणार आहे. Okay, find the length of such a spiral shaped figure formed by 13 such half circle. Here pi is equals to 22 upon 7. Now solution. Semi circumferences, सर्व semi circumference आहे. P1, P2, P3 are drawn by taking centers. पहिल्यांदा A, B, पुन्हा A, B या प्रकारे. A, B, A, B या प्रकारे. It is given that the radius of the first circle is 0.5 centimeter. Radius of second circle is 1.0 centimeter. From this information, we will find P1, P2, P3 up. Okay, in this way, length of the first semi circumference P1 is equals to circumference of formula काय? That is a C is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, now see this here. C is equals to total circumference, it is a 2 pi r. पण आपल्याला काय सेमी पाहिजे, it's a divided by 2. Okay, therefore it is a P1. म्हणजेच किती येणार तो 2 get cancel, you will get here pi r. This is formula for the semi circumference. P1 is equals to pi r1. The value of r is 0.5. 0.5 म्हणजे काय? तर 1/2. Pi into 1/2. Pi into 1 is pi. Pi by 2. This is P1. P1 is pi by 2. What about the P2? P2 is a pi into R2. R2 म्हणजे काय? The radius, second radius. 0.5 plus 0.5. You'll get a radius 1. Pi into 1 is pi. Next, P3. Pi into R3. R3 is 1.5. 1.5 means what? 3 by 2. Okay. That is a 3 by 2 pi. The lengths are P1, P2, P3 and the numbers are 1 by 2 pi, 1 pi, 3 by 2 pi are in AP. Here A is equals to 1 by 2 pi, D is equals to the difference. 1 pi मधनं 1/2 pi गेले तर किती राहतील? D is equals to 1/2 pi. From this, let's find S13. Okay, S13 Sn चा फॉर्म्युला इथे वापरणार. Sn is equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S13, n is replaced by 13 upon n is replaced by 13. 13 upon 2 in bracket 2. A is a pi by 2. Okay, A is a pi by 2. That is the first term. Okay, the first term ची इथे व्हॅल्यू आपण टाकलेली आहे. n upon 2. n means what? 13 minus 1 into 1/2 into pi. आणि ते सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. इथे 2 कट होणार. You will get here pi. 13 minus 1 is a 12. 12 into 1/2. 12 into 1/2, you will get here 6 pi. Pi plus 6 pi. Then you will get here 7 pi. 13 by 2 into 7 pi. And then substitute the value of again pi. Pi is a 22 upon 7. म्हणजे हा 7 and 7 या ठिकाणी काय होणार? तर कट होणार. 2 1 चा 1 आणि ते त्याला संक्षिप्त रूप देणार. इथे किती येणार? तर 11. 11 into 13, you will get here 143 centimeter. And therefore, total length of spiral shape formed by 13 semicircles is 143 centimeter. Okay. Next example. In the year 2010, in the village, there were 4,000 people who were literate. Every year, the number of literate people increases by 400. How many people will be literate in the year 2020? Now see this here table. Year 2010, 2011, 2012. Literate people. First is 4,000, 4,400, 4,800 in this way. Now here A is equals to 4,000, D is equals to 400, N is equals to 11. Okay, if we count it from 2010 to 2020, then you will get here n is equals to 11. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a 4,000, n is 11 minus 1 into 4,000. Then you will get here 10 into 400, you will get here 4,000. 4,000 plus 4,000, you will get here 8,000. And hence, in year 2020, 8,000 people will be literate. Now next example. In year 2050, Mrs. Sheikh got a job with salary rupees 1,80,000 per year. Her employer agreed to give rupees 10,000 per year as increment. Then, in how many years will her annual salary be rupees 2,50,000? Now, you see this table. The year, first year, second year, third year. Salary. Okay. First, that is a 2015. The salary, yearly salary was 1,80,000. Second year, that is a 2016. yearly salary was 1,80,000 plus yearly increment 10,000. Okay, and in this way, here A is equals to 1,80,000, D is equals to 10,000, N is equals to question mark. Okay, when that yearly salary will become, that is a 2,50,000. First, Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. 2,50,000 is equals to 1,80,000 plus N minus 1 into 10,000. Okay, if we simplify here, 2,50,000 minus 1,80,000, then you will get here 70,000. Okay, N minus 1 into 10,000, divide on both sides by 10,000, then you will get here N minus 1 is equals to, या दोघांना जर दोन्ही बाजूला 10,000 ने डिवाइड केलं, हे 10,000 कट होतील. Okay, and to the right hand side you will get here 7. N minus 1 is equals to 7, therefore N is equals to 7 plus 1, and that is equals to 8. And hence the answer is, that is, in the 8th year her annual salary will be rupees 2,50,000. Okay, and in this way we have completed all solved examples. Now we will start practice set 3.4. Now practice set 3.4. First example. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total savings? Now solution. Sanika saves rupees 10 on the first day, rupees 11 on the second day, rupees 12 on the third day. Okay. Now the sequence is like this. Therefore 10, 11, 12 is a sequence. या प्रकारची आपल्याला ती sequence मिळेल. तिने 2016च्या पहिल्या दिवशी म्हणजे 1 जानेवारीला 10 रुपये सेव्ह केले, 10 rupees. 2nd January 11, 3rd January 12, and in this way we will get the sequence. Okay, the common difference D is equals to 11 minus 10, 12 minus 11, and that's equals to 1, which is constant. Therefore 10, 11, 12 is an AP. A is equals to 10, D is equals to 1. Okay, the year 2016 was a leap year. A leap year has 366 days. Therefore, N is equals to 366. The total saving in 366 days is S 366. Okay. Therefore, Sn is equals to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 bracket complete into D. Now, okay, substitute the value. Okay, इथे पुन्हा आपण रिपीट घेतलेले आहे. Sn is equals to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 366 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 10 plus 366 minus 1 into D is 1. Okay, 366 upon 2, then you will get here 183. 2 into 10, 20. 366 minus 1, that is a 365 into 1. Therefore, you will get here 365. 365 plus 20, you will get here 385 into 183, and त्यांचा product इथे येणार, the 70,455 is saving होईल. Okay, and therefore Sanika's total saving would be rupees 70,455. Okay, now next example. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installment. Each installment being less than preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. त्या माणसाने किती कर्ज घेतले तर 8,000, आणि त्यावरचं इंटरेस्ट किती आहे तर 1,360. 12 मंथमध्ये त्याला रिपेमेंट करायचं आहे, आणि प्रत्येक इन्स्टॉलमेंट हा आधीच्या इन्स्टॉलमेंटपेक्षा 40 ने कमी आहे. नाव सोल्युशन. द अमाऊंट रिपेड, किती रिपे करणार तो त्याने जेवढे पैसे बॉरो केले होते तेवढे आणि प्लस त्याच्यावरचं इंटरेस्ट, दॅट इज ₹8,000 प्लस ₹1,360. मग याची टोटल किती येणार? दॅट इज ₹9,360. द नंबर ऑफ इन्स्टॉलमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू 12, n is equals to 10, Sn is equals to S12, that is a 9,360. Okay, each installment is rupees 40 less than the preceding one, therefore D is equals to minus 41 or so. Let the first installment be rupees A. This is an AP. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, S12, that is equals to 9,360. n is 12, 12 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 12 minus 1 bracket complete into minus 40. Okay, पुन्हा तेच आपण इथे घेणार, सॉल्व करणार इथे. Therefore 9,360 is equals to 6 in bracket 2a plus 12 minus 1, you will get here 11 into minus 40. आणि मग ते मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येणार? दॅट इज 6 इन ब्रॅकेट 2a 11 into minus 40 minus 440. Okay, therefore 6 in bracket 2a minus 440 is equals to 9,360. Now divide the whole equation by 6 ने आपण त्याला डिवाइड करणार. Then you will get here 2a minus 440 is equals to 9,360 upon 6. Okay, 9,360 ला 6 ने डिवाइड केल्यानंतर किती मिळेल आपल्याला? दॅट इज 1,560. therefore 2a is equals to 440 is equals to 1,560. therefore 2a is equals to 1,560 plus 440. Okay, therefore next 2a is equals to 2,000 and therefore a is equals to 2,000 upon 2. Then you will get here a is equals to 1,000, which is the first installment. Okay, now next tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. Therefore t12 is equals to the value of a is 1,000 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d is minus 40, and after simplification you will get here 1,000 plus 11 into minus 40, that is 1,000 minus 440, and hence T12 is equals to 560, and therefore the answer is the first installment is rupees 1,000 and the last installment is rupees 560. Okay, now next example. Sachin invested rupees 5,000 in the first year, rupees 7,000 in second year, rupees 9,000 in third year, and so on in National Saving Certificate Scheme. How much amount did he invest in 12 years? Okay, the amount invested by Sachin is rupees 5,000, rupees 7,000, 9,000. This is sequence with the common difference. यामध्ये किती येणार? 7,000 minus 5,000 2,000 मिळेल. Okay, किंवा 9,000 minus 7,000 you will get here 2,000. Therefore the value of D is 2,000. This is an AP. Here A is equals to 5,000, D is equals to 2,000, N is equals to 12. We want to find S12. Therefore Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into D. S12 is equals to 12 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 5,000 plus in bracket 12 minus 1 into 2,000. नंतर ते simplification करणार. Okay, 12 upon 2 you will get here 6, 2 into 5,000, that is a 10,000. 12 minus 1 you will get here 11 into 2,000 आणि पुढे ते multiplication करणार. Okay, that's equals to 6 in bracket 10,000 plus 22,000. Okay, therefore 6 into 32,000 इथे multiplication करणार. Therefore S12 is equals to 1,92,000. Okay, ही त्याची पूर्णपणे 12 years मधली काय होणार तर ती सेव्हिंग होणार. Okay, invested. Therefore the Sachin invested rupees 1,92,000 in 12 years. Next example. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row. First row मध्ये 20 seats आहेत. 22 seats in the second row. 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find the number of the seats in 15th row and also find the total number of seats in the auditorium. This question is asked March 22 च्या एक्झाम मध्ये विचार केलेला आहे 3 मार्च साठी. Okay. Now solution. 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row. Therefore, you will get the sequence like this: 20, 22, 24, and in this way is the sequence. The number of seats increasing in consecutive rows. Therefore, 24 minus 22 or 22 minus 20, you will get here 2. प्रत्येक ओळीमध्ये असणाऱ्या सीटचा डिफरन्स किती आहे तर 2 आहे. ओके, therefore here the value of D is equals to 2. Now next, there are 20 seats in the first row. Therefore the value of A is 20. 20, 22, 24 is an AP. We have to find the number of seats in 15th row, that is a T15. Okay, now next, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. पुन्हा आपण त्या व्हॅल्यूज इथे घेतलेल्या आहेत. T15 is equals to the value of A is 20, n is 15 minus 1, bracket complete into 2. Okay, 20 plus 15 minus 1, you will get here 14 into 2. 20 plus 14 into 2, 28, and therefore T15 is equals to 48. म्हणजे 15व्या ओळीत किती सेट्स असतील तर त्या 48 seats असतील. Okay. Now total number of seats in 27 rows. That is we have to find S27. मग Sn चा फॉर्म्युला घेणार. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute n 27 upon 2. 2 into 20 plus 27 minus 1. D is a 2. Okay. 27 upon 2. 2 into 20, that is you will get here 40. 26 येणार इथे. 27 minus 1, you will get here 26 into 2. आणि ते सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. 26 into 2, you will get here 52. 52 plus 40, you will get here 92. 27 upon 2 into 92. 92 upon 2, you will get here 46. आणि पुढे finally 27 into 46, you will get here S27 is equals to 1242. Okay. Therefore, the answer is there are 48 seats in 15th row and total number of seats in auditorium is 1242. Okay. Now, next example. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures on Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on other 5 days. Okay, the temperature are in AP. This is given. Let the temperatures in degrees Celsius from Monday to Saturday be. Okay, that is A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D respectively. Okay, the temperature on Wednesday is minus 30 degrees Celsius. That is A minus D is equals to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is temperature on Wednesday. We have given one condition that the sum of temperatures on Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. Therefore, the sum of temperatures on Monday and Saturday is equals to the sum of temperatures on Tuesday and Saturday plus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. By using this condition, we'll solve here. The temperature on Monday. मग temperature on Monday किती? A minus 3D. Temperature on Saturday A plus 2D. Okay. Next is equals to sum of temperature on Tuesday. Temperature on Tuesday is A minus 2D. Okay. And the temperature on Saturday is A plus 2D. Okay. This is the given condition. And if you simplify it, then you will get here that is A on both sides. On both sides, a plus 2d get cancelled, and therefore to the left hand side you will get here a minus 3d is equals to a minus 2d plus 5. Okay. Next simplification, on both side again a get cancelled, minus 3d plus 2d. Now take this minus 2d to the left hand side, it will become plus. Minus 3d plus 2d is equals to 5, and therefore d minus d is equals to 5, and hence d is equals to minus 5. Okay. Now next, substituting d is equals to minus 5 in equation number 1. Okay, this is the equation number that is temperature on Wednesday a minus d is equals to minus 30. Substitute the value of minus substitute the value of d here, the minus 5, this minus and minus that will become plus, and hence a plus 5 is equals to minus 30, a is equals to minus 30 minus 5, and hence a is equals to minus 35. This is equation number 3. Okay. Substituting the values of a and d from 3 and 2, then you will get here the values. A minus 3d is equals to the value of a is a minus 35, d is a minus 5. Minus minus will become plus, minus 35 plus 15, you will get here minus 20. A minus 2d, a is a minus 35, minus 2, d, the value of the d is a minus 5. This minus 1 minus that will become plus again. Minus 35 plus 10 minus 25, a minus d. Okay. Again the value of a minus d, that's we have given, means what, this is the temperature on Wednesday. Or if you simplify this, that is minus 35 ethylene minus in bracket minus 5, minus minus will become plus, minus 35 plus 5, you will get here minus 30. Okay, a is equals to minus 35. Next, a plus d, minus 35 plus in bracket minus 5, minus 35 minus 5 minus 40. A plus 2d, minus 35 plus 2 into minus 5, minus 35 minus 10, you will get here minus 45, and therefore the answer. The temperatures at Kargil for the week were minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 35 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees Celsius, and minus 45 degrees Celsius respectively. Okay. Now next example. On the World Environment Day, trees plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row three trees, and so on. Find the total number of trees in 25 rows. Okay. Now here, म्हणजे पहिल्या ओळीत एक ट्री लावणार, दुसऱ्या ओळीत दोन, तिसऱ्या ओळीत तीन, अँड इन दिस वे किती रोज असणार आहे, तर त्या 25 रोज असणार आहे. देअर द नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज इन्क्रीजेस बाय 1 in consecutive row, and therefore d is equals to 1. There is one tree in the first row, therefore a is equals to 1. This is an AP. Okay, there are 25 rows, therefore n is equals to 25. So we have to find the total number of trees in 25 rows. It means we have to find S25. Now okay, see this here. Therefore the formula is Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. N is replaced by 25, a is replaced by 1, n is replaced by 25, and d is 1. We simplify karna, 25 upon 2, 2 into 1 is a 2, 25 minus 1 is a 24 into 1, 24 in earth 2 plus 24, then you will get here 26. 25 upon 2 into 26, 26 upon 2, you will get here 13. 25 into 13, त्यांचं multiplication किती येणार, 325. This is S25, and therefore the final answer, the total number of trees are 325. Okay, and in this way we have completed practice set 3.4. ओके, या चॅप्टरमध्ये सर्व प्रॅक्टिस सेट पूर्ण केले 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. आता पुढचा व्हिडिओ हा प्रॉब्लेम सेटचा असणार आहे. नाव वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. टिल देन, गुड बाय.